Hi.
Hi, those guys are cute crazy. I'm hungry.
Does she want to drink? No.
Drink. I like coming out.
Okay, go.
I can only
You're in
feel
the way.
the air.
So, what's going on in your life?
Nothing really.
What's happening pretty soon?
Birthday!
So, where are you going to have your birthday? Oh.
Top of a mountain.
No, you're not.
Public Excalibur bowling.
Well, who's going to come to your birthday?
Not a friend.
What about Sean?
That's it. You're done.
Sure.